Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sinta Pertiwi. The word of the villain's medicine man and modern doctors. In most urban and suburban area, through the word 6 people are taken to a doctor office or to a hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. The medicine man is a combination of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of his folk methods are similar to those of an urban doctor, but most are very much different. The difference in method is as a result of the fact that disease to the modern scientific mind is viewed as something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, and other small things that we can't see without a microscope. By contrast, in much of the world, disease is considered to be something supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead is the result of the deep anger, broken religious laws, the hatred of enemies, and so on. An urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. A medicine man, however, treats the whole person and often the patient, family, and friend as well. Prevention of the disease. Of course, there may be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physician might tell his patient what to eat, how much to exercise, when, how to relax, and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tells his patient to wear amulet special necklace for protection against bad spirits. Nevertheless, in both village and urban societies, people do become ill and something need medical help. The diagnosis. The first step in any treatment of course is the diagnosis. The doctor or the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis but asks about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headache, stomach aches, insomnia, skin rash, but the similarity in methods ends there. The doctor's next step is to give blood tests, take X-ray, while the medicine man employs supernatural methods. He might ask the patient about his dream, use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the star, or to go into the trance, a condition of deep concretion in which he doesn't function normally, in an effort to contact spirit or other being outside the world. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, the solution usually means no or more of the following. The same methods that are used for preparation helpfully: food, rest, exercise, perhaps warm baths or massage, the drugs, and surgery. Likewise, full medicine includes some of the same cures as in the diagnosis. However, the medicine man also used a wide variety of the supernatural methods in his cures. Two of the most common are exorcism and salthands. Exorcism is based on the belief that disease is caused by spirit. Thus, is an exorcism ceremony. The medicine man performed a number of the traditional activities to take the evil beings out of the victim body. Song, dance, a religious prayer are part on any extreme, and salthands include them as well. In ceremony, the medicine man tries to the pressure the victim's soul, which are believed to have left their bodies to return. A typically tribal ceremony. The Nembu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of a relative, friend, or enemy. This emotion, they say, causes a thought to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger to great disease. When the medicine man decides which body part contains the evil thought, he calls together the victim's relative and friends to watch a ceremony, at the ends of which he removes it from the patient, throat, arm, legs that match, etc. Also, painted patient and the village know what has happened, that the thought has been hidden inside the medicine man mouth the whole time. The patient is often cured. The Nimbu ceremony is typical of the treatment around the world, in which stone, in case or small spears are taken out of sick people.